So my eyes are looking a little tragic right now. Yikes. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Emily, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying to follow an Instagram video tutorial. I know like the new YouTube trend is beauty gurus trying to follow other beauty gurus videos, but like I don't want to sit and watch like a 10 to 20 minute video and try to copy that because I don't have enough patience. So I decided to make this easier for myself and just follow a 1-minute Instagram video tutorial, if that makes sense. I don't know. I just want to say that there are so many way more talented beauty gurus and like makeup artists than me, but this video is just to prove to see maybe if like a regular normal girl that loves makeup has like makeup skills can try and follow a super professional good at makeup beauty guru. I'm gonna be following one of @thuy's video tutorials. I love her account. She's so pretty and she's so good at makeup. I like don't have any of the products she has in her video. I'm just gonna try to improvise using my own products. So I'll see if this works out. If it doesn't, if it does, let's get started. So the video of hers that I chose, it's this one, the thumbnail. Thumbnail is just her curling her eyelash, and it's called Smoky Eyeshadow Techniques on Small Eyes / Monolids. I chose this one because the color scheme of the eyeshadow is super similar to a lot of eyeshadows on the Modern Renaissance palette that I could just like easily use because she uses lots of pink. So I'm gonna try and follow this tutorial. It is 55 seconds long, and I've already watched this video like 10 times. I've screenshotted each step. I'm just gonna completely go off of this video. I'm gonna let this video guide me and tell me what to do with my face. I did my eyebrows off camera because she has her eyebrows like microbladed or like tattooed on. I don't know if you can see, but they're like already done. They're so perfect. Wow. Okay. First, she starts off with just foundation. The foundation she uses is the Jouer Cosmetics Essential High Coverage Foundation. I do not own any products from Jouer Cosmetics. I'm just gonna use a high coverage foundation that I have. So I'm just going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 24-hour foundation. She's using a green beauty blender. I cannot find my black beauty blender that I always use, so I'm just going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge because this is like pretty similar to it, right? So I don't know. She just goes straight in with foundation. Obviously, my skin doesn't look as flawless as hers. So next, she just goes straight into powder. She's gonna go straight in with her Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder. I don't have that powder, but I have my It Cosmetics CC Plus airbrush perfecting powder. Both have airbrush in it. She's going in with this super fluffy big brush. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush, which is pretty big too. Okay, next she bronzes / contours her face. I don't have a bronzer because I don't like bronzer. So I'm just going to use my e.l.f. contour kit, and she uses Marc Jacobs Beauty Bronzer. I'm just going to use my Real Techniques contour brush. She contours her forehead, her cheekbones. She only contours her forehead and her cheekbones, so I'm just going to do that too. I'm going to mix these two together. Obviously, I don't look as bronzed and contoured as her, but you know, I tried my best. I hope this did something because I don't see anything, but okay, whatever. So after she contours, she sets her face makeup with MAC Fix Plus spray. She's using the rose scented one, but I didn't really like how that one smelled. So I'm gonna be using just the regular one. I just purchased this and she is a beauty. And then she highlights her face. She's using her Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Prosecco Pop. And I'm just gonna be using mine in Moonstone because I don't have the one she has, but you know, it's Becca Cosmetics. Mine has gone through some drama. She's a little worn out, but you know, whatever. She still works beautifully. And she uses kind of like a small-headed brush, so I'm also going to be using that. I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush. She highlights her forehead and then her cheekbones. I hate highlighting my forehead because my forehead always gets so oily, so I don't really need highlighter, but whatever, we're gonna follow her. So after highlight, she's going to start eyeshadow. The colors on the palette she uses are so similar to the colors on Modern Renaissance. I'm just going to be using red ochre. She uses one brush for all of her eyeshadow, which is great for me because then I don't have to find my brushes. I'm just going to be using this one by Real Techniques. I need to wash my brushes. Okay, so my eyes are looking a little tragic right now. Oh my god. This is what we're working with. I'm sorry. We're just gonna move on to the next step and hope for the best. So after she does that, she goes in with a pinky color just on her eyelid. I'm gonna go in with a mix of Love Letter and then Benetton Red. Oh my god, that is so tragic. Wow. After that, she takes this like pink eyeliner, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna be using a small little Equal Tools brush and just taking a mix of these three shadows and just applying it underneath my eyes. I've been trying to blend this for like the past 10 hours and it's literally just not blending, so yay. She is going in with a really small angled brush and then taking a black color and lining her upper eyes. So I'm going to be going in with my Ciate Chloe Morello Pretty Fun and Fearless palette. After that, she just applies fake eyelashes, and she's using Lily lashes in style Miami. I do not own those, but I found a pair of lashes that are pretty similar to those. These are just the Ardell 600s, so I'm just going to pop these babies on and then curl my eyelashes. These lashes are kind of freaky. So after lashes, she goes straight into lips. She doesn't do her bottom eyelashes. She uses a matte liquid lipstick by Pixie Beauty. I'm just going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics in Candy K because that's the closest thing I have to the shade she's wearing. Okay, and then she has this like really pretty glittery lip gloss, which I don't have, but I do have glitter and lip gloss, so I'm just gonna kind of combine these two and take some gloss and then dip it. Glitter. That was the best I could do, but you know, it's actually pretty nice for only 99 cents. She's finished, sister's done and looking perfect, while I'm here like, so I guess that we are finished. She looks so good in this look. She looks gorgeous. Her makeup is stunning, but like me, the eyeshadow is just not cute. Not cute at all. It was fun. It was a nice little journey. Make sure you guys check out Thuy. She is so talented. I'll link the posts that I followed down below if you guys, you know, want to try it out yourselves. And now here's a little side-by-side comparison of Thuy's video and my video.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand, we're hidden sin. We're need tonight. I run away.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나 보태울 때